Baltimore City Schools is preparing its students to thrive in a green economy. Baltimore Trains for Winds is an innovative program that for the last 3 years has exposed students to careers in sustainable energy. By targeting wind-related CTE pathways, the program has raised the visibility of this growing industry. This has included wind turbine competitions, certifications in welding and OSHA 30, and summer programming that trains students in other wind-related trades.
What was fun for me about welding was the different tools that we use to do it and different components.
A total of 187 industry-recognized credentials have been earned by students and teachers. Baltimore City has all the potential to be the center of the growing sustainable energy industry. Baltimore Trains for Wind invests in young people so they not only have access to these careers, but are poised to be the leaders of the future. Over the past 3 years, the Baltimore Trains for Wind program, funded through the Maryland Energy Administration, has invested over $500,000 to prepare young people for careers in sustainable energy.
I could see myself engineering, do like the wind field, especially since it's something that it's like high demand, like you guys said, and there's a need for them. So yeah, I could definitely see myself working in the wind industry.
I think it's important to at least learn about these. And that's, I think, what KidFilm does for us, is it teaches us and it helps us develop skills related to it.